Hey there, it's Grímur Grímsson. Actually, my full name is Grímur Björn Grímsson. There's been some new stuff we launched since we made this course, and there's 4 things I want to share so you have the latest info. First, we shipped a new plugin that lets you directly import Figma designs right into Webflow. The fundamentals in this course are critical, and I recommend using the plugin after going through the course. Or if you want to just try it out, you can do that as well. The stuff we cover in this course includes the core fundamentals of developing in Webflow. That's the first thing to note. Second, when you get to Webflow, you'll notice we shipped a new element called QuickStack. So if you're following along with this course and you're looking for the grid element, you'll now find it at the bottom of the add panel in Other. You can use QuickStack and learn more about it. We actually added a video to the end of this course, so you can cover that as well. But that's the second change. Third, you may notice 2 other new elements in the add panel, VFlex and HFlex. These 2 elements are shortcuts that you'll be able to use after this course. But again, they're not necessary to follow along with Figma to Webflow. I just wanted to clarify so you don't think all of Webflow changed on you. It didn't. Finally, fourth, you'll see the top bar looks quite different, but all the functionalities are still there. For example, to go into preview mode, to preview what your site would look like without the designer controls, you'll want to click this play icon located on the top right corner. And all your undo and redo buttons are here in the drop-down menu. Or you can use shortcuts. Command-C on Mac or Control-C on Windows to undo, and Command-Shift-C on Mac or Control-Shift-C on Windows to redo. But that's it, a quick overview of some of the new stuff we launched since this course came out. Thank you so much and best of luck to you.